My name's Jim, and this was my dad's truck. He bought it new in 1948.
Oh, wow.
He was in the coal business, and he could deliver a ton of coal in it.
Oh, wow. So this was actually an active coal dump truck.
Mm-hmm.
Very awesome.
And when we moved from Altoona to York, over a period of 2 years, every weekend he'd bring some furniture down in this until the family was was totally down here.
Oh, wow. Moving truck as well.
Yes.
Have you done any modifications or?
Well, we restored it.
Restored it, yes.
I have a pictures up here to show you.
Oh, absolutely. Let's go.
This is what it was like prior to restoration.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, she's pretty stripped down, a little crusty.
Yeah, a little rusty in the floor.
Mm-hmm.
And so over a period of a couple years, because we tore it down and then worked on some weekends and so forth.
It's a family underdoing?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have 2 sons.
Oh, perfect. And Father's Day is coming up, so it's perfect, little father-son.
And then when it was going back together, here's the engine going back together.
How long did it take?
Well, like over a period of 2 years, because it was a weekend project.
Right,
you know,
yeah.
And maybe one night a week. But,
Right.
and,
I love the snow.
yeah.
I'm from South Carolina, so we don't get much snow there.
Uh-huh. But,
I'm gonna get the front. Did you drive her here, or did you?
well, we trailed it because we came from York.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Within 10 or 15 miles of a show, I drive.
Okay. Yeah.
But then it gets beyond 20 miles.
It's a little touchy.
And it's not that I mind driving it. It's the traffic minds me going 40 mile an hour in a 65 mile an hour zone.
Can be dangerous for
Yes.
sure. So.
And, we've only ever had one in-flight driver that I can remember. He followed me for a while, and then he passed me and waved to me with his one hand. Because he was upset that we were only going 40. You know.
Oh, yeah.
That, you have a rude person now and then. Like,
Oh, yeah. Definitely. They can wait.
yeah.
Well, this is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely.